Sa tingin mo, ano yung pinaka-laging nagko-concern sa katawan mo?
Recently po, hindi ko alam kung stiff neck ba yun, pero hindi kasi dito. Parang dito, tapos umabot
upper?
hanggang,
Okay.
upper hanggang sa,
Hanggang? Here?
dyan.
Or hindi naman umabot dito?
Minsan sumasakit siya, hindi ko
Okay.
lang sure
Let's
kung
see.
connected siya, opo.
Ano pong name nyo?
Jazel po,
Jaisel. Okay. Ilan taon na po kayo?
29.
29. Sa tingin mo, ano yung pinaka-laging nagko-concern sa katawan mo?
Recently po, hindi ko alam kung stiff neck ba yun, pero hindi kasi dito. Parang dito, tapos
Sa
umabot
upper?
hanggang,
Okay.
upper hanggang sa,
Hanggang? Here?
dyan.
Or hindi naman umabot dito?
Minsan sumasakit siya, hindi ko
Okay.
lang sure
Let's
kung
see.
connected siya, opo.
Gaano siya kasakit or kangalay from 1 to 10? 10 yung highest.
Nung Tuesday, di ba kapisado? Tuesday, talagang hindi ako makabangon talaga. Talagang sinuport ko pa
Headache?
yung, hindi naman headache, sinuport ko pa yung ulo ko para lang makabangon
Bangon.
ako. Pero day after naman yan, nakaya ko naman ng bumangon. So, I think yung 10, with yung Tuesday, pero little by little, umaayos siya. Yun nga lang, parang may nararamdaman
Okay.
office.
Ano yung work mo ngayon?
Accountant.
Accountant.
So,
Home base ba ito or sa office?
Office.
Saan ka
Office
nagtatrabaho?
based. Government.
Government. Okay, so accountant. Alright, so office. Ayan, lagi ka bang nakaganito? Kamusta yung desk mo? May baba sa'yo or mas mataas?
Ganyan.
Okay.
Siguro, I think ganyan.
Very good. So, sarili mo lang talaga ang problema. Gano'n. Nag-slouch. Okay?
Oo, nag-i-slouch pag kasi 8 to 5.
Mhm. Sige, ngayon, ready ka na sa physical examination? Okay, magkakaroon tayo ng ganon para at least makuha natin kung ano yung pinaka nagiging root cause. Okay? Yun yung kailangan nating ayusin. Ready na? Posture up, turn to your left, turn to your right. How is it? Saan yung masikip?
Masakit po yun.
Kapag ka nagle-left ka,
Oo.
at saka limited,
Dito.
Yan.
Yan.
right here,
Yes.
sa traps,
Kasama to.
or here. Yan. Sige. Ngayon, tingala. Yes. Up. Yan. Kamusta yan?
Masakit talaga dito.
Saan? Hanggang dito?
Oh.
Ayan. So, hindi pa kita tinutulungan, ano? Ang pinaka-normal is about 45 degrees extension. Tignan natin kung nandun pa sa motion, ha? Kung malambot pa. O, yun, nandun pa naman. Okay, pero sobrang sakit na.
Kaya naman.
Kaya naman.
Yun nga lang may pain.
Okay. Sige, ayusin natin yan. Alright? Yuko. Go. Ipupush kita, ha? Sige, that's one. Push it, push it, push it, push it. Yan. Kamusta ito?
Okay naman po.
Okay naman yon.
Yes, okay naman.
Very good. So, sa pagtingala lang.
Opo. Saka
Alright?
yung pag ganun po.
Pag left.
Pag
Oh,
left.
sige. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin is here. Okay? All the way up. Shoulder traps. Dikit sa tenga. Kamusta to?
Okay naman po.
Maluwag?
Maluwag naman.
Very good. Down. Mula sa harap. Sige natin. All the way up. Lagpas sa tenga. Yun. How was it?
Okay naman po.
Any sikip? Any ngalay?
Wala namang
Connection
pong
here?
ngalay or sakit. Opo, okay naman.
Kaya naman.
Kaya
Okay,
naman.
good. Down. Here. Go. Twist. Yan. Ang normal is about here. How is it? Good?
Good
Oh,
naman.
kabila. Tignan natin. Here. So, twist. Yan. May masakit?
Hirap lang
masikip?
pong iganon.
Hirap lang. Masikip ng konti.
Opo.
More off here or dito?
Dito po.
Sa lateral? Left. Okay. Sige. Stand up. Tignan natin. Here. Lower back. To confirm. Yan. Okay. How is it?
Okay naman. Okay naman.
Okay naman.
Ah.
Kala ko hirap ka eh.
Hindi lang po talaga sanay kasi hindi ako
Yes,
nag-exercise.
nag-exercise at nag-stretching.
Opo.
Now, tignan natin kung ano yung nagiging root cause. Harap ka sa akin. Yan, bend forward. Sige. Okay? Oh, very good. Up ng konti. Stay, stay, stay.
sorry.
Right here. Okay, up ng konti. Stay. Very nice. Okay, good. So, nothing more special. Very nice. Good one. Okay, last one. Upper. Yuko ng konti. Right there. So, here. So, sa ating thoracic, mataas ito ng konti. Ito mababa. Nasa alignment with here. hindi naman tinatawag na mild scoliosis, but yung misalignment itself, ayun yung pinaka nagiging root cause bakit nagkakaroon ng deformation with your cervical 6 and 7 and thoracic 1 junction. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3. Thoracic, yun yung pinaka nagkakaroon ng misalignment at nako-compromise na ito dahil hindi masuportahan ng maayos yung ating cervical spine. Nagdidisi ka kapag nakataas?
Medyo po. Recently lang.
Mhm.
Oo. Pero
Okay.
anong cost nun, sir?
Yes, ang cause niyan dahil saan?
Pagtulog?
Pagkahila or pagkabanat. It's either nakaslouch ka, natutulog ka ng sobrang banat ito. Sige, sit down ka. Paliwanag ko sa'yo. Here. So, ang nangyayari, dahil nagkakaroon tayo ng pain at ngalay or sobrang pinching ng pain doon sa specific area na yan, ibig sabihin, yung muscle fiber na yon ayun mismo yung pinaka nadadamage or nakukompromise sa lahat ng mga nangyayari sa atin. Ngayon, kung dito mismo nanggagaling yung pain at nagkakaroon ng misalignment, lahat ng muscle support dito sa area na ito ay nahatak niya or napupul niya yung nearby muscles. Kaya kapag ka nagyuyuko ka or nag-i-slouch ka, doble yung hatak. Mula dito, tapos slouch ka pa, nahatak din pataas. Kaya ang pinaka nagiging cause is yung gitna ng mismo, kunyari ito, sa lastiko, parang ganyan. Hinahatak mo. Yung pressure itself, andun sa gitna. Yun yung pinaka nakukompromise na muscle fiber. Kaya may pinch doon sa nerve, doon sa muscles na yun. Okay? So, yun yung nagiging root cause. So, aayusin natin lahat. First is yung root cause. Second is yung na-compromise na spine, which is junction, cervical 7 and 6. Ready ka na?
Yes po.
Nice.
Yes po.
Ngayon, ang gagawin natin ay dapa. So, check ko lang kung saan tayo magsisimula ha. So, first, here. Yan. So, nandito yung spine mo. More of here dapat. Okay. Here and here and here. So, una nating ikukunin is yung thoracic number 1 right there. I will push this one away. Right here. Sige. Up, up, up. Yan. Okay, wait. Here. Good one. I'll push this one down. Ready. Inhale. Relax ang shoulder. Good one, good one, good one. Okay, good. Very clear. Sa lower side naman tayo. Right here. Here. Push it, push it, push it. Good one. Inhale. Relax ang shoulder. Good one. Relax ang shoulder. Good one. Inhale. Exhale, exhale, exhale. Good one. Nice. Any pain, any ngalay. So that's for your cervical 6 and 5 junction. Okay? Right there. Okay? So ito naman is kukunin natin ng nakaupo right here. Sige. Sige, sit down ka. Right over left. Right there. Yuko. Upper side. Okay? Sige. Siko. Yan, ganyan. Relax ang shoulder. Good. Yuko. Ready? Yuko, yuko, yuko. Inhale. Exhale. Yuko. Nice. How is it? Good? Okay. Upper side, right here. So, ito, pag medyo tight, iba yung technique na gagawin natin. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, so, clear. Ito tayo. Open yung hands. Open yung hands. Yan. Okay. Yuko, yuko, yuko. Yun. Good. Hawak sa kamay ko. Yan. Ibaba ang siko. Yan. Ilak ito. Hawakan mo yung kamay mo. Yan. Ilak mo yung siko mo. Good one. Relax ang shoulder. To the top. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Lock. Good one. Nice. That's it. Naramdaman mo yun? Yun yung malalim na part. How is it so far? Good. Mas better. Stiff.
Ngayon, mas kaya mo na siyang ibigay.
Hilingon. Very nice. Okay? Next is your lower cervical spine. Here. Lower side. Good one. Relax ang shoulder. Good. Right there. Sige, sige, sige. Here. 30 degrees. Good one. Relax mo yung shoulder mo. Good, relax ang shoulder. Good one. Okay, so ito ay very nice. Good. Here. Okay, good. So, sa rotation tayo magbe-base mamaya. Okay? Pero good na ito. Alright? Ngayon, ang gagawin mo naman ay dapa ka ulit. Sa lower extremities naman tayo magsisimula. So, ang gagawin natin is about here. Lower extremities, again, here. This one. Okay? Gagawin mo ay itataas mo itong paa. Here. Diretso, diretso, diretso. Tuhod, tuhod, tuhod. Up, up, up. Sige, up. Kamusta yan? Mabigat, hindi?
Okay na. Hindi naman po.
Hindi naman masyado. Okay, kabila. Up, up, up. Good. How is it?
Okay naman.
Okay. So, normal about here. Right here. Sa rotation ng ating pelvis, dapat nakaganto ka.
Okay.
Anong pakiramdam pag inaangat kita? Mahirap. Yun ang gagawin natin. O, i-unlock natin, which is your iliac crest right here, pelvis rotation, at saka yung ating sacroiliac joint. Okay? Right there. Let's see. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, clear naman ito. Push it upward. Inhale. Exhale. Clear. Very nice. So, ngayon, ang gagawin natin ay stretching. Okay? Sige, wait lang. Yeah, right here. Sige, ako magtataas ha. Ako magbubuhat.
Okay.
Ready, inhale. Exhale. Very nice rotation. Okay? Inhale. And exhale. Good one. Nice. How is it?
Okay. Okay po.
Yan. Okay. Let's see this. Ready. Inhale. Exhale. Nice one. Inhale. Exhale. Good one. Okay. Very clear and loose itong kabila. Okay. So now, let's see your inner. Gaano ka katagal nakaupo? Every day.
8 to 5.
Ha?
8 to 5.
8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay? So ngayon, pwedeng gagawin natin, i-release natin yung ating tension, hawak dyan. With our coccyx or yung pinakadilo ng ating tailbone, na tinatawag, or sacrum, inner hip joint, and saka pubic bone. Okay?
Okay.
Sige, right here. Open. Yan. Okay? So, ang gagawin mo, itataas mo yung dalawang paa. Diretso. Okay? Yes. Okay? Tapos i-engage mo yung puwetan mo. Okay? Wait, wait, wait. Ready? Sige, tutulungan naman kita. Okay? Sige, go up. Diretso yung tuhod. Yan. Tigasan yung puwet. Good. Okay. Very nice. Very clear and flexible. Any pain? Nice. Okay, so ribs na tayo. Focus. Right here. Sige, inhale. Exhale. Clear. Inhale again. Exhale. Clear again. Inhale. Exhale down. Nice. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. A little. Right here. Inhale again. Exhale down. Nice. Down, down, down. Good one. Here. Last one. Down. Alright. Nothing more. Very good. Now, titignan natin ulit ha.
Okay.
Ngayon, taas mo ito. Go up. How is it?
Okay.
Mas light?
Yes.
Very good. O, tingnan mo na, itataas mo na ng gusto. Kabila.
Okay.
Go up. Nice. O, tingnan mo yung rotation. Kanina, okay naman, pero nandito lang. Okay? So, pero ngayon ay
Mas loose.
mas loose at naitataas mo ng gusto. So, that's for your iliac crest, sacroiliac joint, and pelvis rotation or movement. Okay? Yun. So, nangyayari yun kapag matagal tayong nakaupo or walang masyadong stretching with your lower extremities and joints. Okay? Okay. So, ngayon, ihaya na. Tapilo ka na ba dati?
Opo.
Oh, bakit? Ano nangyari?
Naapakan po yung tsinelas ko.
Naapakan mo?
Hindi, naapakan po.
Okay.
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 Itatapilok ako.
Ay, oo. Dati pa yan.
Pero dati pa naman po.
4 years after.
Opo.
4 years ago.
Sige, tignan natin ha. Let's see. So, we have a lot of areas here sa foot. Okay? Hindi lang yung isang technique na puro hila-hila. Okay? Here. So, with with those techniques, okay, madi-distinguish natin kung ano na yung napagdaanan tapilok na itong ating animals, okay? So first is here. Metatarsal here. Oy, good. A little. Good. Here. Good. Nice one. Meron. Pero maliliit lang. Very good naman.
Okay po.
Here. With your talus bone. Relax. Nice. Any pain?
Wala naman po.
That's for your talus or yung pinaka sumasalo na buto doon sa ating tibial bone and fibula bone doon sa ating glider joint. Here. Next is for your cuboid. Here. This one. Nice one. Upper. Good one. Nice. Any pain?
Wala naman po.
Nice. Okay. Last is for your calcaneus or heel. Relax. Nice. Clear one. Okay? Open. This one. Turn. Good one. Nice one. Naramdaman mo sa balakang mo?
Opo.
Good. Metatarsal. Here. Right there. Nice. Next, navicular bone. Here. Nice one. How is it?
Okay naman
Good.
po.
Tapos po, awesome. Nice.
Yes.
Lagi ka ba naka-heels?
Hindi naman flat lang po.
That's lang. Any pain?
Wala naman po.
Good. So that's the compression with your ankle joints. Here. Right there. Good one. Okay, very clear. Good. Last one, sa heel. Alright, very loose. Okay, good one. Sa tuhod, meron kang iniinda when upstairs, downstairs.
Wala naman.
Very good. Okay. Next sa ating sacroiliac joint. Balakang. Open this one. Right. Uy.
Meron natin.
Stretch natin. Inhale. Exhale, stretch. Very nice. So, ito yung kukunin ko with the sacroiliac joint. Here. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Nice. You good?
Yeah.
Right down there. Good one. So, right here. I will push this one. Ready. Inhale. Exhale. Relax ang shoulder. Good one. Kamusta?
Okay po. Better.
Ngayon, sa iyong kamay. O, yan. Naririnig mo yan? With your carpal bones, okay? So, prevent lang natin, release lang natin yung tension. Okay, let's see the pain. Here, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Grip. Grip. Go. Grip. Anong pakaramdam?
Okay naman.
Weak?
Oo.
O, sige. Mag-grip din ako ha. Sige, go. Grip.
Hindi.
See?
Opo.
Bigyan natin kung ano yung magiging difference mamaya. Good. Here. Relax. To this one. Turn. Good one. How is it?
Okay naman po.
Okay, clear. Sa middle. Nice one. Then, last one right here. Nice one. Okay. Stretch. Good one. Stretch. Okay. Relax. Shoulder. Good. Okay. Relax here sa elbow. Connected sa ulna. Nice one. Here. And turn. Going up. Nice. Going down. Clear. Oh, yun. Nice one. Okay? Pahinga. And then, titignan natin ulit. Yun. Meron din. Okay? Grip. Go. Sige, go. Grip. Okay. Naramdaman mo?
Yes po.
Sige, tignan natin yung pain. 1, 2. Sa 2 na, meron na agad.
Opo.
Sige. Nice. Good one. Clear. Nice one. Nice. Last one sa mado. Nice one. And then right here. Turn. Nice one. And then stretch. Good one. Okay, and put it back down. Relax. Nice one. Good. Yeah. Good. And then right here, turn. Clear. Good one. Nice. Okay, let's see. Down. See this one? How is it? Wala na yung nag?
Yes po.
Kikis-kisan.
Opo.
Now. Good. How's the difference?
Mas ano ngayon?
Mas malakas.
Opo.
Tama?
Ah.
Sige, grip ka. Go. Nice.
Compared
Ramdam
po
mo?
kanti, yes po.
Nice. Let's see. Go. Nice one. Pakaramdaman. Very good.
Yes po.
Mas malakas.
Compared kanina.
Okay. For our pinching ng ating, what do you call this one? Trigger points. Here, cervical one. How's this? Pain.
Wala naman po.
Number 2. Number 3. 4. And 5. Nothing?
Wala naman.
Very nice. Kabila. Here. Number 1. Here. Number 2. Number 3. 4. And 5. How's it? Nice. Okay? So, normal na nagkakaroon ng tension with your cervical spine. Okay? Release na lang din natin para please hindi na ito ma-compromise palagi. Good. This is the middle cervical number 3. Right here. Inhale. Exhale. Relax ang shoulder. Good one. That's it.
Okay po.
Chin up, chin up. Wait. Pwesto natin ng maayos. Right here. This one. Relax ang shoulder. Right down there. Good. I will push this further kaysa sa twisting. Okay? Ready. Inhale. Exhale. Relax ang shoulder. Good one. Nice. That's for your middle cervical 3. How is it?
Okay po.
Good. Okay. So, paano natin siya kina-calculate? With the bouncing and checking the rotation and lateral movement. Okay? Here. Yan. Sige, bite your teeth. Yan, bite your teeth. Good one. Okay. Chin up ng konti. Good. Ako na. Yan. Good one. So, bite your teeth. Let's see. Stretch number 1. Inhale sa ilong. Exhale sa ilong. Stretch it. Good. Rotation. Very nice. Sideward. Very good. Bouncing. Okay. Very nice. Okay? So, light lang ang kailangan nating pressure or puwersa na i-apply sa iyo. Okay? Sige. Ready? Inhale again. Exhale sa ilong. Relax ang shoulder. Very nice. Good one. Nice.
Grabe.
That's it.
Ang dami po.
With the bouncing itself, hindi na natin kailangan ng sobrang lakas na puwersa. So, the bounce, yun mismo yung magdetermine para mag-flow down yung ating releasing. Okay?
po.
So,
Grabe. Grabe talaga.
grabe. Full body na grabe.
Grabe na full body.
Okay. So, lahat ng, what do you call this one? Area ng joints natin.
Opo.
Okay? meron tayong iba't ibang technique. Okay? So,
Okay.
hindi lang sa kung ano yung general na nakikita natin at napapanood natin nowadays. Okay?
Okay po.
Yan. So, para safe lahat. Okay? At walang masyadong makukompromise. Shoulder na pala tayo.
Yes.
Okay. Shoulder, hawak sa bewang. Here. Okay? Relax ang shoulder. Ngayon, ipupush kita forward. Ang gagawin mo, pipigilan mo lang ako. Pag ganito, pigilan mo ako ha. Ayan. Sige, push kita. Go, push. Pigil, pigil, pigil. Pigil pa. Sige pa. Pigil, go. Nice one. How was it? Lakas mo na. Here. Ready, pigil. Pigil pa. Lakas pa. Nice one. You good?
Yes po.
Next is our shoulders. Ito na tayo sa ating acromioclavicular joint. Okay? So, acromion bone and clavicle. Ayan. Here.
Clavicle.
Relax. Ayan. Yuko, yuko, yuko. Turn in. Here. Stretch. Uyun. Okay? Here. Last one. Nice one. And then, lower rotator cuff. Relax ito. Baba, baba. Yoko, 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 yoko. Para siyang lupay-pay ba? Yun. Good one. Okay. Clear. Very good. Here. Relax. Turn in. Relax ito. Down, down, down. Stretch. Nice one. Here. Okay. Last one. Upper. Yoko. Nice. That's it. Last is for your ears. Yeah, like this one. Relax. Good one. Snap, snap, snap. Nice.
Wala, parang mas okay yung pandinig ko. Parang mas naging clear siya.
Yes. So, hindi pa naman tapos. Ito naman yung pang-simula pa lang. Okay? But we have to press the sensitive part of your ears. Relax. Snap, snap, snap. Nice one. Good one. Next is right here. This is the sensitive part of our ears. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good one. How was it?
Okay po.
Before and after physical examination. Ready? So, hi Rock Nation, we're done with Ma'am
Jazel po.
Jazel. Ayan. So ngayon, kamusta ang ating experience sa ating therapy?
Okay po. Very great yung experience. Kasi ramdam ko agad yung effect, which is mas naging better. Especially yung pinaka-last, yung hearing ko, parang mas naging clear siya.
Nice.
Yun yung pinaka...
Lumiwanag.
Yes. Parang sabi ko, ay, may ililiwanag pa pala yung...
Yung pandinig.
Pandinig ko.
Yeah, hindi ka na masyadong bingi.
Yes po.
Okay? Okay?
Yes.
So ngayon, physical examination again. Posture up. Turn to your left. Sagad. Yun, how was it?
Okay po.
Turn to your right. How was it?
Okay naman po.
Tingala. Good. How was it?
Okay po.
Kanina, anong peron?
Kanina po, di ba parang hirap po ako
Nagtingala.
Opo.
Okay, sige.
Ngayon po.
45-degree extension. Nice one. How was it?
Okay po.
Better?
Yes, better.
Nice. Okay, so pares na tayo. Di ba? Good. Okay, so now, sa shoulders, tignan natin. May problem ba? May masikip kanina sa shoulders? Wala.
Wala naman po.
Here? Very good. Okay naman yan, ano? So,
Opo.
ito. This one. Wait. Go. Twist. Very nice. So, vertical line.
Yes.
Kabila. Go. So, twist right here. This one.
Yes.
How is it?
Okay naman.
Mas loose?
Yes po.
Very
Compared
nice.
kanina.
Happy?
Yes.
Satisfied ka naman?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Picture tayo.
Okay po,
Okay.
sure.